This demo shows the effect of random noise and outliers on the line of best fit in a linear regression. Experimental data are generated numerically from the line y equals x plus 1, which is shown as the black dashed line in the top plot. These data are fit with a linear model. The line of best fit is shown in green in the top plot, and the residuals of this fit are shown in the bottom plot. The equation of the line of best fit and the r-squared value are also displayed. Adjust the amount of noise in the data with the slider bar and observe the effect it has on the line of best fit and the r-squared values. Pressing the space bar allows you to replace a point with a point in a location of your choosing. We can add an outlier. Adding this outlier significantly affects the line of best fit, shown in purple, compared to the original line of best fit, and the residual plots, now shown in red, compared to the original residuals shown in yellow.